To auto adjust Bluetooth audio volume when the exercise mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap exercise. Next, tap change setting and then tap media volume. Now slide the volume adjustment bar under Bluetooth audio to the desired level. As the example, we will set it to 40%. Tap down button and then tap down button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the exercise mode is active, your phone will automatically adjust the media volume level to 40% while you are listening through Bluetooth audio. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.